If you like to dabble in the kitchen, or if you consider yourself to be an expert, then you already know the right tools can make all the difference. Joining me now with details on one of my favorite tools of the trade is Amanda Allen, registered dietitian with Hy-Vee. Man, it's great to see you as always.
Great to see you.
So you brought a Nutribullet with you. Let's talk about, this guy. I mean, because I tend to, overuse it in making smoothies, but can we use it in some other healthy ways?
Absolutely, yes. This is like one of my most used, I'd say, gadgets in the kitchen, not just for smoothies, which are great, but you can also use it for your sauces and even nut butters, homemade nut butters.
Wow.
And a good homemade nut butter, there's nothing like it.
Yeah, I'm dating myself now, but when I was a kid, our only option was really peanut butter. But let's talk about some of the different options that are out there right now, because you brought some with you.
Yeah, really, you name a nut, there's a nut butter for it. It's all out there. And these times you can find anything in the market. We do have some nut butters in our health market that are already made, from cashew butter to almond butter. There's macadamia butter, pecan butters. There's all of anything you could think of, but I really truly love customizing my own nut butters, and you could even enjoy them yourself, or they make for great gifts as well.
Wow, and it looks like you made some ahead of time here. So tell me about these two.
Yes, so this is a pecan nut butter. It actually has pecan and maple syrup, and that's the only two ingredients in that. I use a pure maple syrup, so that would be the only ingredient in it. Pecans are really great for an extra dose of antioxidants and vitamin E to really help reduce inflammation, but this would be great paired with some fruit or on top of some toast, especially for the holiday season.
Oh gosh,
or even your pancakes.
Pancakes, I was thinking pancakes.
Yes.
Yeah, you said maple syrup, and I'm like, yeah, pancakes all the way. Yeah. So what's this, and you said this one is
This one's pistachio butter. Okay. So my husband loves pistachios. It's his favorite. You put a bag in front of him and he would eat the whole thing if you let him. So I'm excited for him to try this. But this is a pistachio vanilla extract nut butter. Wow. It also has a little bit of avocado oil in it, but it has a lot of sweetness, a great texture. It is delicious, so I highly recommend. We do have those recipes on Hy-Vee.com.
So from a nutrition standpoint, are these all pretty on par, as far as being nutritious? Is there one that's like healthier than the other?
Yeah, so they're all going to have different fatty acid profiles. Almonds and walnuts will be great with omega-3 fatty acids. Pecans, one of the highest in fiber. So fiber is really important for getting your cholesterol levels down. So if you're looking for ways to get that down, pecans are great.
Nice.
Pistachios, what's great about them is they have all 9 essential amino acids, which that means it's basically a complete protein, just like an animal meat would be. So if you're a vegan or a vegetarian, getting more pistachios can really help you get that complete protein in to help with muscle health, satiety, and things like that. So depending on the person, there's a nut for every nut, right?
Nut for every nut, yeah. Well, before I let you go, tell me about Hy-Vee's virtual gift gadget guide class.
Oh yes, so we are dietitian Katie, a dietitian that I work with. She's providing virtual gift gadget guide classes. Okay. In the class, you'll learn how to work with an air fryer, an Instapot, a food processor, and you'll get recipes and shopping lists. So it's so nice for, if some of these gadgets, if they're intimidating to you, it's an easy class to sign up for at Hy-Vee.com/health. Or maybe you're wanting to gift a gadget to someone. Maybe you go ahead and purchase them that class too, so then they know how to work with the gadget. So
yeah, no, I love it. Yeah, my air fryer is one of my favorite gadgets. Never tried an Instapot, but yeah, probably would have to take the class for that.
Yeah, come on in and join us.
Amanda, it's always wonderful to see you. We'll see you
you too.
Next time. Hy-Vee is conveniently located at 1720 West Battlefield Road in Springfield. They are open 7 days a week from 6 until 11 p.m. To look up specific hours for your favorite department, just visit their website, which is hy-vee.com.